is my Ninja Turtle card. I have all of them, but I'm missing Leonardo. My grandma said she will buy it to me tomorrow. I just got it today. It can take up this. The doors don't open, but you have this. When you press this one, like you see, it can go down. It opens these. Look. Look, let me show you. Look at this. It will pop out. And the other one popped out too, but not that much here. You can hang on your other Ninja Turtles here. And I got this is a classic collection. You could see their stands in there. It has wheels. And in the back here, it says Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.